In this video guide, we're going to show you how you can download and install mods in Minecraft version 1.21.6. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Mods are a fantastic way to customize Minecraft by adding new features, mechanics, and content. Let's walk you through the full process. Starting with, if you have Minecraft open, make sure you close it, as well as any launcher that might be open as well. From here, you're going to want to open up any web browser. I'm going to use Chrome, but anything will work. And we're actually going to head over to curseforge.com. It should look something like this for you. Once you're in here, you're going to want to find Minecraft in the listed games. If it's not up in the main menu for you, just search it right here. But find Minecraft, click on it, and what you're going to want to do now is simply click Browse All, just like so. Now there's going to be filters over here that you're going to want to select. Select Forge, just like so, and then for the game version, go ahead and find 1.21.6. This is going to ensure that we're downloading mods that are compatible with this version of Minecraft. Browse through the mods that you would like to choose, and this one, I'm going to choose Simple Voice Chat, just like so. And what you're going to want to do is open up whatever mod you want to use. Click on the Files tab in this section, and make sure you're downloading the version for 1.21.6 and Forge. There's going to be a bunch of different options on here. You want to make sure you're downloading this specific one, so just keep that in mind. But once you find the version for 1.21.6 and Forge, click the three dots to the very right section of it, open it up, and then select Download File. Now you can download multiple mods, just make sure they match with the same version and mod loader. Now in another browser tab, you're going to want to search up Minecraft Forge and go to files.minecraftforge.net to get on a page that looks something like this. Choose the version on the left that says 1.21.6 and then find Installer and click on that. From here, it's going to pop up with an ad. Simply go ahead and wait 5 seconds in the top right corner for this ad to go away, and don't click anything on this page. Hit skip, and then it's going to start downloading like that. Now from here, open up the File Explorer, and then go ahead and navigate to the Downloads section and find the Forge installer and click on it just like so. If it doesn't look like this when you click on it, you're going to need to install Java first by heading to java.com. I'm going to have a tutorial on that, so just check the channel to see if it's up yet. If not, leave a comment and I got you. Once this opens, simply go ahead and make sure you select Install Client and then hit OK, and it's going to load and do something like this for a few seconds. Once it installs, go ahead and hit OK, and then reopen up that Minecraft launcher, and it's going to take a second to load, but once it does load, what you're going to want to do is ensure that this Forge 1.21.6 is open down here. You can change it by just clicking this and you'll see all your versions of Minecraft, but ensure it's on Forge 1.21.6 and then navigate up to installations and find that same version. Click the little folder file to open up the game directory, and inside you're going to find a mods folder. Go ahead and open that up. If you don't see anything in here, that's okay. And also, if you don't see a mods folder, simply go ahead and create one. What you're going to want to do is find that file explorer from earlier, open it back up, and simply drag in Voice Chat Forge, just like so, or whatever mod you might have downloaded into this section, and it should look something like this. Now from here, you can go ahead and close this tab. You can also close this other tab and head back to the Minecraft launcher. Go back to play. Once again, make sure it's on this Forge launcher and then hit play. Take this little tick box and play again. When you get loaded into Minecraft, you should see a mods option right here. Go ahead and click on that, and as you could see, if Simple Voice Chat or whatever mod you downloaded is in here, that means you have successfully downloaded that mod. If you have any questions throughout this entire process, let us know down in the comments below, but remember to like and subscribe before leaving this video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.